Hello everyone, I'm Chloe and this is Planet Chloe, and I'm back in my garden today, and today I'm going to give you potatoes update. So you can see here, these are the potatoes that in another video I planted in the compost bin, and they've worked all the way up from through the compost bin, which you can't even see now, and have come up the top and are now producing these lovely purple flowers. And when those flowers are finished and the stems actually start to die back, I'm going to do a big video and tip out the compost bin and see how many potatoes we've got. But if you remember, I also said that I was going to plant some smaller buckets. So these are the small buckets down here that also have variety of growth here, and they've just flowered, so they are now ready to be tipped out for early potatoes. So I'm going to tip one out and we're going to see how many I get. So these are the smaller tubs. Let's have a look at what we've got. So better get my gloves on. Fingers crossed we'll have a few potatoes in here. It's quite a small pot really. Let's have a look. Give it a shake. Get that soil loose. You can see the nice root system there, and you can already see some potatoes. Now it's the fun part of breaking it up and counting them. A lot of the potatoes in here are going to be on the smaller side because it's earlier and we only put it into a small size. You can see that was the original potato that we grew it from. It's all soggy and like an empty sack mostly now. It's like finding eggs in a bird's nest. It's about the same size as a bird's egg. These little ones are really small, but they're actually quite tasty when you roast them with the other ones, because they're like little poppers in your mouth then. Really nice snacks. So here we have it, roughly about 24 potatoes from that small bucket. Some of them are really small, but some of them will make nice decent sized potatoes for a side of roast potatoes or for a potato salad. I've got 4 more of these buckets to do, and so I'm hoping to find a lot more potatoes, and then we'll do another video in a few weeks to a month's time of the big compost bin, which I think there'll be a lot of potatoes in there. And in the meantime, all of the compost and the plant foliage that I'm finished with is going to go into my compost bin. I hope you guys found that interesting, and I hope you're going to be pulling your potatoes soon too. Alright, see you later. Bye.